Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Today we are going to attempt to fulfill another one of my 2021 resolutions by playing with some epoxy, which is not inexpensive, by the way. So let's hope that we don't screw this up. I've got a big chunk of live on one side alder that was donated to me by a friend of mine. I've got a big batch of epoxy. I've got an old shelf that I took down from over there and replaced with a tool cabinet that's made out of melamine that I can break down and get some forms out of. And we're going to try to make a serving tray. Or some coasters, or both. I don't know. Let's get this shelf broken down and we'll see what kind of molds, forms we can make out of it. And then we'll decide. Come along. Let's see if I waste a lot of expensive epoxy. Okay, so a couple of lessons that we've already learned at this point. The first is that custom grit will work as a mold release. You just need to not half-ass it, and you need to make sure that you get into all your nooks and crannies and get all of your surfaces covered in order for it to work. Because it turns out that this first round of molds that I made ended up being disposable because I just wasn't careful enough with the wax as a mold release. The second thing that we've learned is that you have to wait a pretty long time, but not too long a time, before you start swirling your colors together, because it has to actually be starting to set in order for it to hold your swirls. So I don't have what I thought I was going to have, but I do have some interesting things. Because I missed my window in terms of, I thought that I had the swirls and that it was ready and it was going to hold them. Nope, it just kept doing what it was going to do, and now I've ended up with whatever I end up with. Let's finish getting these cleaned up, and then we'll have a look at them. And I think we're just about done, really, after we get these resurfaced and edged. I think they're going to be cool. Come on. There we go. Epoxy is kind of fun. It's messy and sticky and a hassle and expensive and geez, doesn't sound like very much fun at all. But it kind of is. I think I'll keep trying to play with it a little bit. I'm pretty sure that I'm not going to get into it like some people get into it pretty heavy, because it is kind of expensive and kind of a hassle. but the results are cool. You can do some neat things. I got a 4 set of coasters, and I got a 2 set of charcuterie boards, and I'm relatively happy with how it all turned out. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time. Remember, the link's down in the description where you can help support me. I got epoxy dust and stuff in my beard. Patreon page and Etsy store down there below. Check them out. If you like what I do here, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. All of that good stuff. My hands are moving in the air while I'm talking. Bye. I'm a professional at this making videos thing.